Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a car that the name is right on the front fender, Boss. Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about one of our latest additions to our muscle car lineup of all our cars that are for sale. This is none other than the Boss 302 Ford, a 1970 model that is absolutely stunning, absolutely its original color, and it's got the options that makes this thing really, really outstanding. This car itself has a little over 40,000 actual miles, of which it has had only one repaint in, of course, its original yellow color. It has the interesting options, of course. The shaker hood is one of those options. It's one of those cars that's done to the level of what people are looking for today if you want an investment grade quality car. If we look under the hood in this particular car, you can see that it looks as good, if not better, than what it looked like in 1970. It has all the correct markings, emblems, the stickers where they're supposed to be. Also underneath as well, there were specific ones that the Boss 302s had. This one has those. If you want to check those on our website, you will see those on those pictures as well. Always an interesting story with these cars. Many of them did not come with power steering, but they came with power brakes. I guess they were more concerned about stopping at the end of your quarter-mile drag race or during your street racing days or whatever, which this car was probably one of the top kings of the road at that time, so in 1970. This does have the 4-speed transmission in it as well, which is also very common for the Boss 302s. The matching color-coordinated side mirrors are also another addition. It's got the rear spoiler and, of course, the louvered rear window in the back window, which is kind of a novelty, a little challenging sometimes to see out of, but it was part of the total overall package of this car when you've seen it. Like I said in the beginning, Boss 302, when you see the word Boss, you know if you pull up alongside this guy at the local drag strip or at the stoplight, this guy means business. Another nice thing about this car that comes with it, it has all the paperwork. Of course, it has a Kevin Marty report, which gives you all the details of when the car was built, production, all its different options. And it's so hard to believe this car back in 1970, the total cost was not even $3,916. So, you know, extremely, at that time though, that was quite a few bucks, but you also had one of the cars that everyone was out there looking for. From the standpoint of collectability, this is one of the higher ones for Ford in the Mustang era. So beautiful interior as well, the black high bucket seats, and like I said, the 4-speed, lots of all those bells and whistles. I love the 500 wheels with the radial tires, a little better than the tires that they had when they came out in 1970, of course. So if you're looking for a muscle car, you're looking for a great investment grade car with all paperwork, all the documentation that's required of this car. It's got everything from build sheet, the Marty report, the original owner's manual, all that good stuff comes with this car. It is available right here at Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers. You can visit us at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where we have this and our close to 100 other vehicles ranging from classics to muscle cars to street rods to resto mods, you name it, we've got it here. You can also find it on our Facebook page. You can find it on YouTube and Instagram as well. So there's lots of places, or you can come and visit us in person right here in Rogers, Minnesota, 45 minutes from downtown from the airport. You can get an Uber and get here in no time flat. We're open Monday through Saturday, 10 until 5. Love to have you come and take a look at it in person. If that's what you'd like to do, we'll show you around. Have a good one.